Samsung's Galaxy S26 series is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphone launches in recent years, and the latest development might just change how we look at smartphone videography forever. Thanks to Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, the Galaxy S26 lineup will reportedly support APV video recording. That's advanced professional video. For the first time, Android phones will be capable of capturing pro-level footage that's closer to what you'd expect from a cinematic camera than a smartphone. If you've been following the updates around Android 16, you might know that Google officially adopted Samsung's APV codec for improved videography. Now, Qualcomm has taken it to the next level by confirming that its latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 platform will natively support APV recording. This isn't just a small upgrade. It's being described as a world's first, the first processor ever to unlock true APV video capture on a mobile device. What this means for creators and everyday users alike is simple: professional-grade, high bitrate video recording right in your pocket. Think of it this way. If you've ever edited video from a DSLR or a cinema camera, you know how important the codec is. With APV, your Galaxy S26 won't just shoot footage that looks great, it will also keep all the data necessary for a proper post-production workflow. That means more control, more flexibility, and the freedom to really shape your artistic vision when you edit your clips later on. It's no longer just about smartphone convenience. It's about unlocking professional filmmaking tools for everyone. The magic behind this leap forward comes from Qualcomm's Spectra AI ISP. That's the image signal processor, responsible for handling what the camera sees and turning it into usable video. In this new generation, Qualcomm has gone all out, giving the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 triple 20-bit ISPs. That technical detail might sound complex, but here's what it translates to in real-world use: up to 4 times the dynamic range. You'll see far more detail in bright highlights and deep shadows, with richer color accuracy across the board. Photos and videos will feel more lifelike and cinematic at the same time. And it isn't just about video. These improvements will naturally enhance still photography as well, allowing for shots that capture the tiniest details and the subtlest contrasts. Imagine shooting a sunset or a concert, where the camera has to balance bright lights and dark environments. The Galaxy S26 should handle those scenarios like a professional camera. Of course, all of this is powered by Qualcomm's most powerful chip yet. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 doesn't only bring camera upgrades, it's also built with raw performance in mind. At its core is Qualcomm's third-generation Oryon CPU, which delivers a 20% performance boost while being 35% more power efficient than before. The Prime cores can clock up to an impressive 4.6 GHz, making it one of the fastest processors ever put into a phone. That means the Galaxy S26 won't just excel in photography and videography, but also in gaming, multitasking, and overall responsiveness. Put it all together, and the Galaxy S26 series, including the Pro, the Edge, and of course the Ultra, is shaping up to be a powerhouse for both creators and power users. We're looking at a smartphone that could genuinely replace a dedicated camera setup for a lot of people, while also running cooler, faster, and more efficiently thanks to the new silicon. This is the kind of leap that changes the conversation around what a smartphone can do. For years, companies have been trying to bridge the gap between mobile and professional cameras, and with APV recording backed by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, Samsung might finally have cracked the code. Whether you're shooting cinematic travel videos, vlogs, or even indie films, the Galaxy S26 could become the go-to device for creators who don't want to compromise on quality or portability. So, with January approaching and more leaks expected in the coming weeks, all eyes are on Samsung to see how it implements this next-level feature. One thing is clear: the Galaxy S26 series won't just be another yearly upgrade. It might be the start of a whole new era for smartphone videography.